Welcome to my channel. Today I have to discuss about standard deviation. It is the most useful and the most popular measure of dispersion. The standard deviation is defined as the square root of the arithmetic mean of the squares of the deviations of observations from arithmetic mean. It is denoted by sigma. We can calculate standard deviation using following formula. So for a raw data, if x1, x2, etc. xn are n observations, standard deviation sigma is equal to square root of summation xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. So for a frequency data, if x1, x2, etc. xn are n observations or middle values of n classes with the corresponding frequencies f1, f2, etc. fn, then standard deviation sigma is equal to square root of summation fi into xi minus x bar whole square divided by capital N. The square of the standard deviation is known as variance and is denoted as sigma square, or standard deviation is the positive square root of the variance. Simplified formula for raw data, we have sigma square is equal to 1 by n summation x minus x bar whole square, which is equal to, we have by the definition a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Like that here, which is equal to 1 by n summation x square minus 2 into x bar plus x bar square. 1 by n and sigma taking inside 1 by n summation x square minus 2 x bar into 1 by n summation x plus x square into 1 by n summation 1, which is equal to summation x square by n minus 2 into summation x by n is equal to x bar. 2 into x bar plus x bar square, which is equal to summation x bar square by n minus x bar square minus 2x bar square is equal to minus x bar square. Therefore, sigma square is equal to summation x square by n minus summation x square. Then sigma, therefore sigma is equal to square root of summation x square by n minus x bar square. In similar way, for a frequency data, sigma is equal to square root of summation f into x bar square by n minus summation fx by n whole square. Then shortcut method for raw data, sigma is equal to square root of summation d square by n minus sigma d by n whole square, where d is equal to x minus a, raise the assumed mean. And for frequency data, sigma is equal to c into square root of summation fd square by n minus fd by n whole square, where d is equal to x minus a. Third, for raw data, sigma is equal to square root of sigma d square by n minus sigma d by n whole square, where d is equal to x minus a, where a is the assumed mean. For a frequency data, sigma is equal to c into square root of summation fd square by n minus summation fd by n whole square, where d is equal to x minus a, where a is assumed mean and c is the class interval. The relative measure of dispersion based on standard deviation or coefficient of standard deviation is given by coefficient of standard deviation CV is equal to SD by AM, which is equal to SD. Standard deviation is denoted as sigma, which is divided by x bar, that is arithmetic mean. Therefore, coefficient of SD is equal to sigma by x bar. Properties of standard deviation. Standard deviation is not affected by change of origin. Standard deviation is affected by change of scale. Then combine this ST. If one group of N1 observations have an arithmetic mean x1 bar and the standard deviation sigma 1, and another group of N2 observations have an arithmetic mean x2 bar and the standard deviation sigma 2, then the standard deviation sigma of the two groups combined is given by n1 plus n2 into sigma square is equal to n1 sigma 1 bar plus n2 sigma 2 bar sigma 2 square plus n1 into d1 square plus n2 into d2 square, where d1 is equal to x1 bar minus x bar and d2 is equal to x2 bar minus x bar, and x bar is the combined arithmetic mean. That is n1 plus n2 into sigma square is equal to n1 sigma 1 square plus n2 sigma 2 square plus n1 n2 divided by n1 plus n2 into x1 bar minus x2 bar.